In this video, we will review some of the ways we use Aware in Rockwall ISD. A reminder that staff are responsible for setting up their profiles. You can do this when you log into Eduphoria and select the My Profile button. The first time you log into Eduphoria at the beginning of the school year, you'll be required to update your profile. This will include changing your password as well as verifying the security questions you want to use for electronic signatures. In Rockwall ISD, we use Aware to view student and assessment data. Inside of Aware, on the Analyze tab, you'll have the ability to see all of your courses listed on the left-hand side. You can also choose to view all of your student data using the All My Students at the bottom of the list. You can also look at specific student data by selecting the Students tab on the left-hand side. I will now demonstrate this for you. Please be advised that all the data you're about to see was created for the use of demonstration purposes and is not tied to real students. When I click on the Students tab, I can search for specific students using the search bar at the top of the page. I also have the ability to search student forms to see which students have which forms applied to them. To do this, I would select Student Forms and then select the specific form that I want to review. Let's say I want to look up my student Hudson's information. I will type Hudson into the search bar and hit Enter. When I search for Hudson, I am presented with the list of students on the left. By selecting Hudson individually, I can then use the General, Tests and Scores, and Forms tab to view different data about this individual student. By selecting the Forms tab, I'm presented with all of the forms currently attached to this student. Please note, this is how 504, RTI, ESL, and special education forms are shared to teachers who teach that student. I would select the form I want to view and select the View button. Using the Test and Scores tab, I can then view individual student data, including state tests as well as local district, campus, and teacher assessments. If I double-click on any of the scores at the bottom of this page, I can open up that specific assessment to see how that student performed.